Hindi nga, marami na kasi.
Ginagawa namin sa ganyan.
Hindi na nalimos. One. Ito. One. Supe. One. Two. Three. Four. Five.
Ano ba yan?
Six.
Oo nga.
7. 8.
Gonna make a heart throb out of me. Just a bit of minor surgery. These desperate times call for desperate measures. I'll give you something to cry about. Show some skin and would be cachet. How could you let this get to desperate measures now? For a first effort, this feels kinda last ditch. I guess this just got kinda drastic. Trust us, you just fell off the bus, baby. I can't let this go. I can't let this go. I can't let this go when I got you right. I want you. I've been pushing for this for so long. Kiss me just once, like these are desperate measures now. I can't let
Yung asawa ko, yung asawa ko. Wala si Saan.
Oh.
Hindi ko kalala yun.
Wait, sino si Darren?
Malala yun.
Hindi ka kalala mo ulit? Hindi ba kalala? Sino si Darren? Baklasot pa rin eh! Hayop! Wait, kayo seryoso si Angel? Si ganyan ka?
Ayun!
Ayun! Tatakpan mo.
Sumong itaas ko.
Ano ba? Yan tayo. Baka malalasay tayo dito.
Wait lang, wala bang harap to?
Meron.
Ay, hindi yung doon pa ganun.
Oo, sa taas.
Hindi, yung mismo pa ganun.
Alam mo ba yung dadaanan?
Andito po kami sa sa Tagaytay.
Wala pang number yan. Yan.
Mukha po kaming naabo sa'yo. Ang ganda ko dito, ang mukha kong artista. Kaya kakaway-kaway naman yan.
Ay, pumag-artista dito.
Ikaw, ang yan.
I've been pushing